T-Cards Online is a visual planning and workflow management system that helps businesses organise their work, track progress, and manage resources in a clear, simple way. The strength of it really comes from how visual it is. You can instantly see what's planned, what's in progress, and what needs attention. It cuts out the confusion you often get with more complex systems and makes communication across the teams so much easier. Over the last couple of years, we have focused heavily on developing the system based on real customer feedback. Our background actually comes from T-Cards Direct, where we still survive traditional T-card systems, the physical boards, paper cards that many businesses have relied on for so many years. What we've done is take all that real-world knowledge with how people actually plan, how they move work around, manage their process day to day, and bring it all to T-Cards Online. We've worked with businesses across a wide range of industries, and that shaped how the product has evolved. One of the biggest outcomes of that is flexibility. No two businesses operate the same way, so we've made sure T-Cards can adapt to all different industries with the features and support that they need. One of the things customers really value is the level of customisation. You can fully tailor boards, layouts and cards to suit exactly how your business runs. We are continuously improving the platform too. Some of our latest updates include enhanced permissions and controls that better manage users, as well as automated workflows and API integrations that help our clients streamline their process and connect with other systems. This is also available in our free mobile app, so you can access it live and manage your work from anywhere. One of the newest features launched for this show is time tracking. This allows teams to set estimated times and record how long tasks actually take. This gives businesses real insight into performance, helping identify bottlenecks, improve efficiency, and make better data-driven decisions. The biggest benefit we consistently see is clarity. Everything is visible in one place, which keeps teams aligned and organised. That naturally leads to better planning, fewer mistakes and stronger communication across the business. MACH is a great event for us because it brings together the kind of businesses that benefit from what we do. It's a chance to have real conversations and understand the challenges on the ground and show how simple a visual system can make such a big difference.
I'm the sales director for ProStore, and we've been using T-Cards Online for over 5 years. We use it to coordinate our service engineers and their time during the course of every week, and we highly recommend its use for any company that wants to control their engineers' time and their schedules. Any development that we've ever wanted doing, the guys at T-Cards Online have been happy to develop it for us to suit our own software.
If you're interested, make sure to come speak to us and check out T-Cards Online to see how it could work best for you. We offer a 21-day free trial, so you can try it out with your team and see the benefits for yourself with the full support of T-Cards Online.